Hello friends and welcome back. Today I am making beach pour coasters with this round silicone mold. For the colors I am using Artistry mica pigments. Let's open the box. For the shades of water I am selecting aqua blue and bright blue colors. To create sand color I am mixing these three colors: champagne, pure gold and peachy beige. For the waves I will add a few drops of tested white paint in resin. It really stands out. The resin I am using here is art resin. Before we proceed, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot in creating these calming art videos. I will be adding these real starfishes, seashells and stones in the sand. One important consideration is to maintain the room temperature ideal for the resin. Mine is set at 78 degrees Fahrenheit, which is ideal for art resin. Let's move this box aside and start working with the resin. I have mixed the resin in equal proportions of resin and hardener. I have taken 4 clear cups to mix the colors in the resin. I am adding equal amounts of pure gold and champagne colors and a little peachy beige to get a perfect sand color. Stir the pigments well in the resin. I want to make this aqua blue more bluish by adding little bright blue mica pigment. Mixing it to get a uniform color. Let's start working on the mold. At the center, I am adding the sand colored resin, little by little in each compartment. Over the outer circumference of the mold, pouring the bright blue resin. Between these two colors, adding aqua blue resin. Adding more resin to fill in the spaces. Popping the air bubbles with a blowtorch. Merging colors with a heat gun. Filling up the mold with more resin. I have mixed the textured white paint in the clear resin to get this white opaque color. Adding the white waves, the first layer between the sand and the aqua blue. The second layer of wave between the two watercolors. This is just a thin layer. I will add another thick layer of waves after 24 hours to create the appearance of a 3D wave. Blowing off the first set of waves with the help of a straw, and I am not giving here more force while blowing because it will disrupt the mica pigments. Now I am adding the ornaments, the seashells, starfishes and the stones on the sand before the resin sets. The next day I have mixed a fresh batch of clear resin and pouring on top a clear layer and spreading it uniformly. Adding the tester's white paint mix in resin to make the waves more pronounced. Blowing the white resin with a heat gun to create waves. Leave the coasters aside covered for 24 hours for the resin to set. I have taken out the coasters from the mold and this is how they look. They are gorgeous and these beach colors look great. I love these huge waves that are moving towards the shore. I hope you guys love it. Hit the bell icon and turn on the notifications to get future updates of coming art videos from my channel. Also, there is an ongoing giveaway event for the new year. Watch my previous 2 videos if you want to participate in the free giveaway event. There will be multiple winners. Hit the left side video on your screen to participate in the calligraphy of your name giveaway. Click the video on your screen's right side to participate and win these beautiful flowery bookmarks. Take care and bye.